subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Restoration period, which starts from 1660 AD to 1700 AD. Before we start, I have already made videos from Old English period to Puritan age. I have given the links in my description box. Do watch my videos and give your suggestions. Historical background of the age. During Puritan age, monarchy was abolished. Oliver Cromwell ruled England. Commonwealth period was established as republic. After Cromwell's death, Charles II came to throne in 1660 AD. Now, who's Charles II? He is the son of Charles I. He opened theatres which were closed in Puritan age. Do note this, coffee houses were also established during this age. During this age, they revolted against everything that was Puritan in nature. This age led to a complete reputation of puritanical ideas. He is Charles II. Theatres. Charles II has no legitimate heir but only a Catholic brother called James II. Anti-Catholic Parliament tried to prevent the coming of James II to the throne. So they made an attempt to exclude James II from the throne. Charles II ended crisis by dissolving the parliament. Later, James II was crowned as king in 1685 AD. Political background of the age. Politically, country was divided into two parties. Both the parties devoted Anglican Church. Both the groups joined together to put an end to James II because he was not a good king. He misruled England for 4 years. After Bloodiness Revolution of 1688 or Glorious Revolution, which called William II or William the Orange and Queen Mary to the throne. Literature of the age. Because of the French Revolution, literature was influenced by French models. In this period, one can see a change from fancy to wit and pride, and from prose to poetry. Drama was the most popular genre in this age. Along with drama, heroic drama and comedy of manners were also established during this period. Heroic drama. Heroic drama was highly influenced by French classical tragedy. It presented characters of almost superhuman characters. Predominant themes were ideals of love, humor and courage. Like heroic poem, it was written in heroic couplets. Plot of the play involved the fate of an empire, love and valor were the subject. Comedy of manners, it means combining humor and critical trait. It reflects the life, ideals and manners of upper class society. It depicts the polished sections of the society, especially aristocratic class. Comedy of manners was influenced by Ben Jonson's comedy of humors. Best example for comedy of manners is Country Wife. He is John Dryden. John Dryden was the most famous writer during this age. This age is also known as the Age of Dryden. He was the first poet laureate in England in 1688. He is famous for his work Meg Flecknoe. Do read this work in detail. He introduced heroic couplets. Alexander Pope was influenced by Dryden. Dryden wrote Astraea Redux on celebrating the return of Charles II. Dryden's famous works: A Wild Gallant, The Rival Ladies, The Indian Queen. His major critical works are Dramatic Poesy, Defense of an Essay, Essay of Heroic Plays. Dr. Johnson called him as the father of English criticism because during Puritan age there were no critics. Only in Restoration period he started to criticize others' work. So Johnson called him as father of criticism. Satirical works. He was best known for his satirical works. Meg Flecknoe was the most famous work, as I have told you already. It was an attack on Thomas Shadwell. After the revolution of 1688, he lost his poet laureateship with the coming of William II because he refused to take an oath of allegiance. Other major poets, George Etherege. His famous works are The Love in a Tub or Comical Revenge, She Would If She Could in The Man of Mode. William Wycherley, his first play was Love in a Wood and The Country Wife, which was very important. And William Congreve, his most famous work are Incognito, The Double Dealer, Love for Love and The Way of World were his famous works. Apra Behan. She is the first professional woman writer during Restoration period. Virginia Woolf in her work stated that all women together ought to let flowers fall upon the grave of Apra Behan. Her famous works are The Forced Marriage, The Amorous Prince and The Rover. She is Apra Behan. Conclusion. Restoration age makes a complete break with the past. This age led to the rise of neoclassicism. Literature took a new spirit. This period is said to be an age of transition. After Glorious Revolution brought a new change in society. Literature developed realism, which is very important. Writers tried to give realistic picture of the society. They expressed voices rather than virtues. So thank you for watching my video, friends. If you like it, means give me a thumbs up.